Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a full face with 5 products. Let's go ahead and get started. Our first product is going to be the NYX Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veil. I am in the shade True Buff Beige. I'm just going to take a little bit and just put it all over my face with my hands. It's pretty much a tinted moisturizer, so it's pretty simple just to rub all over your face. It gives a good base. And it lets your skin come through. Take a little bit onto my eyes. And drag it down to my neck. Alrighty, our second product is going to be bronzer. I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty SunStalk'r and Shady Biz. Our third product is going to be highlighter. I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighters. This is in Girl Next Door and Chic Phreak. And we're going to be using this as eyeshadow and highlighter. And I'm just mixing the two together. And we are just going to take that all over the eyelid. And then we'll do the same thing. And then we're going to go ahead and go up and swirl into the eye and back out. Cheekbone, temple, eye, temple, down the cheekbone. We'll do the same thing on the other side. And we'll go cheekbone, temple, eye. And then again, cheekbone, temple, eye, temple, cheekbone. Just kind of keep going all over that. And then we'll put a little bit down the nose, Cupid's bow. And when you do your Cupid's bow, you don't really want to get up here because otherwise you're gonna look like you have a sweaty lip a little bit. So try to avoid that, or if not, just wipe away your blood. A little bit on the chin and a little bit on the brow. And then fluffy brush just to blend. And you could blend the eyes out to the temple and up. Same thing, eyes out, temple. Our fourth product is going to be mascara. We're going to be going in with the MAC Hot Naughty Lash. This is in brown. I like to go in with the hot side first before we go in with the naughty side. And we're going to brush all these hairs up. The hot side really builds length, where the naughty side helps build volume. So I like to sometimes use both of this. Not at the same time, but both, so that you can get a good look. A good voluminous, full, long look. Because I like that this is very buildable and you can make your lashes really long if you want. And we're going to do the other. Just poke myself in the eye. And then we're going to go over with the naughty side. Which, believe it or not, is the same brush. You just get way more product on it. Yeah, I like the hot side for defining, and then the naughty side to really help bulk them up. Alrighty, for our last and final product, we're going to be going in with lip gloss. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bombs in Pretty Please. I'm just going to take a little bit and lip gloss. These are my all-time favorite lip glosses ever. They smell like a memory. And they just feel so good. I could honestly just keep putting on more and more all the time. And if you put on too much, yeah, you'll get the tacky thing, but thumb trick, and it's all gone. Alrighty, that completes today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!